Alright, so this is the last one that hey, focus on me now. This is the last one I bought at Five Below, so we'll see what we got. I haven't really got anybody I actually really wanted. I like Luna Living Good, but she'd be cool if she had like sunglasses or something, you know, to make her stand out, you know, because she's, you know, that's who Luna is. But anyway, Snape, Bellatrix, the Thestral, I don't know, the dragon. Hermione's my favorite, and yeah. So anyway, as long as it's not a duplicate, I guess we're okay. I'll just try again. Let's see. Why did I fold like that? And here we go. Well, here is our second Luna. It's me, I'm the problem. And said, as long as it's not another duplicate, it would be fine. I have all those options. Anyway, she is cute. She is cute. Why does this one like look smaller than the other one? No? Am I just crazy? It's fine. It's fine. I'm just crazy. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me for another video, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.